welcome back to one of my videos in which I'm going to be as productive as possible since I'm on summer break. I literally cleaned my bookshelves like not so long ago and it's already a mess. Right now what I'm gonna be doing this morning before it's too hot to do anything, I'm going to be sorting through my clothes because my drawers cannot even open. Like this one is fine and I can't even open this one. Okay, I'm more or less done with what I wanted to do this morning. Everything here is more organized. Then I have this stack, which is my t-shirts for winter. This is what I know I'm getting rid of. This is all the stuff I'm pretty sure I'm getting rid of, but I still need to try. And these also I need to try, but right now it's so hot in my room. I need to take a break. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to organize a bit my Korean studies and do a bit of Korean studying. Today what I want to do is I want to continue this notebook, which is a beginner's notebook. I'm currently at lesson 4. I've seen the grammar, I just didn't do the exercises. And I would like to do everything until level 7 at least. Then I'm going to start this notebook, which is a 100 days of vocab notebook. And then I would like also to start actually revising and learning vocab like intentionally. So I printed out this topic 1 vocabulary list. Hey guys, update. I did my vocab of the day. I wrote so tiny. And I did 1 lesson. I also took lots of time to highlight. These are my vocab cards from yesterday, which I'm revising. And these are all the ones I made today, so I'm probably not going to be able to learn all of them because that's a lot. This is what I'm gonna be eating. Tomatoes and some chicken that I have left. I'm going to finish this book and then I'm gonna do some Arabic finally. Okay, quick update. I was cold outside, so I'm gonna finish my book inside, which is not as fun. I had to do all the chemistry of the pool because I could tell it was becoming green. So, I just finished La Promesse de l'Aube by Romain Gary. Every time I read it, it makes me want to sleep, even though it's not boring. For his whole life, Romain Gary's fierce, eccentric mother had only one aim, to make her son a great man. And she did. This, his thrilling, widely romantic autobiography, is the story of his journey from poverty in Eastern Europe to the central world of the Côte d'Azur and on the wartime pilot, resistance hero, diplomat, filmmaker, star, and one of the most famed French writers of his age. What's special about this book is that Romain Gary's writing is so beautiful. Like I couldn't explain why I liked it because the thing is I read it and it felt slow and I fell asleep many times reading it, but at the same time I loved it because the writing was so beautiful and so not addictive because it's too much of a slow-paced book to be addictive in my personal opinion. But yeah, I really recommend you try reading one of his works. I recommend to you The Life Before Us because yeah, that was like a 10 out of 5 stars for me. It was wow, like it was so good. This one I would honestly rate it 3 stars. But the thing is, because of the writing style, I want to rate it like 4 stars, but then I'm like, I didn't like necessarily love reading it, you know, like And now I'm going to study a bit of Arabic. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna try to do another short form content video because I kind of enjoy making them. So beautiful. Anyways, I'm gonna go make some flashcards now. So I bought some Thai food yesterday, so I'm just gonna heat them up.